After roughly an hour flight, we actually got to Galapagos, which as soon as you set foot on the islands, you can really tell how much of a majestic place this really is. To join Celebrity Expedition, we had to get on a Zodiac, which held about 16 people, roughly. What makes this ship a lot different from all the other cruise ships is this is an exploration cruise ship. You actually feel much more of a traveller than just a normal cruise holiday. One of the very first things we did was actually circumnavigate Daphne Island. Daphne Island is a satellite volcanic cone located north of Santa Cruz. But the main birds that we actually saw and actually followed the ship itself were some frigate birds. We then went on to have the captain's cocktail party and giving some more information about the days to come. It really feels like this is going to be an exploration like no other.
Hiya, thanks for watching the video. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe below. Remember to click that bell to get all notifications, and if you're looking for more fantastic travel video content, like this click on the videos to the right hand side. It'll be really informative. Or click on the planet logo to the left to go to our website for some fantastic deals. Keep cruising.